बाला अम्बेडकर जी और आई विल से I would like to call ACP Kalpana Gadekar madam and thank her. She has been also a parent of this institution, I think madam 25 years back.
मैडम आपको देख के मुझे वाकई लगता है विमेन पावर जिंदाबाद।
Requesting.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so much.
गुरुदेव जी सही को देखा सही। क्या क्या वापस बोल तुम्हारे हाथ में मुझे हाथ मेरे हाथ में Please back, sir. Please back, sir. Please back. Please back, sir. Please back. Please back. Please back, sir. Please back. Please back.
Well, after this beautiful, I also want to welcome the true Damini. This is Meenakshi Seshadri. I think she's here with us. Oh, she's there. The beautiful Meenakshi Seshadri. Welcome to you. Right here in CWC. Can we have a roaring applause for him? Welcome to you, Ayush. How do you feel? There are so many students here who are fans of you. How do you feel? Any message that you would want to give them?
Well, first of all, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for having me. It's a beautiful honor for me to be here with all these students and looking at their smiling faces. I have great memories of annual days. You know, when I was in school, I used to believe that there was only one day that everybody is excited and looking forward to. And here we are in this beautiful institution where you mean so well to make it special for everyone. So, kids, कैसे हैं आप? Yeah!
जो साइड नहीं बोल रहा है वो बहुत नाराज हो जाएंगे फिर।
जी?
ये साइड नहीं बोल रहा है।
अरे ये साइड है। हेलो। Well, मुझे बोला गया कि यहाँ पर कुछ आपको एक मैसेज देना है। To be very honest यार, मैसेज में कुछ देना चाहता नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मैं आप सबको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, स्पेशली बच्चों को, ये आपकी लाइफ का, जो मैं खुद के बच्चों को जो कहता हूँ वो आपको कह रहा हूँ, ये आपकी लाइफ का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल समय है। जब आप छोटे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, मेमोरीज जो स्कूल में होती हैं, कॉलेजेस में होती हैं, इसको ढंग से एंजॉय करना। लाइफ में सब कुछ वापस आ सकता है, बट ये टाइम वापस कभी नहीं आएगा। सो प्लीज एंजॉय योर चाइल्डहुड, एंजॉय बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशन, एंजॉय एवरी बिट ऑफ इट। जितनी शरारतें करनी है वो भी कर लो। उसके बाद
वो छोड़ दीजिए, वो टीम को छोड़ दीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए। Yes, yes. That's it, that's it. All right, that's it. Come. Yeah. A little behind, we have a fire thing happening here. Okay. A little behind. देखिए कि कौन अच्छा डांस कर रहा है? आयुष अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं कि आप अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं? Okay, can we have the music please? DJ वाले बाबू जरा excited to meet you. They've been waiting for you since very, very long time. But
Ayush, it's so good to have you at CWC. It's 42 glorious years. Today they had the annual day function. You just mentioned that that takes you back to your school days and nostalgia about annual days. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I believe that today is special. Today's event is very special. When I was in school, the annual days were not so grand. So I can see the effort that's gone behind holding this annual day and so many beautiful years of a great institution. So I think it's brilliant. I can see the excitement in the whole institution, the kids, to be a part of this annual day. So I believe I'm lucky to be over here. And thank you so much for having me.
Any memories you have of the day when you performed or you being part of it? Anything that you'd like to share?
You know, it was annual day is one of the things that I used to be very excited to attend when it was happening in my school. But I was a very shy boy, so I always had a fear of going on stage. Though I always had somewhere down the line I had a craving. And today when I see the kids coming on stage so enthusiastically, so confident, and they're dancing, I think that brings back a lot of memories of the things that I wanted to do. And now I get to do them with these beautiful babies. So that's the memories of my annual day.
In today's
Prior to that, we would like to present a bouquet to Sri Harun Khan ji, our MLA. A big
Well, I
round of
believe,
applause for him.
Nothing replaces the fact that kids should be active. And I know it's a very difficult thing in these days because with so much of technologies, the gadgets and everything that's out there. But I try my level best with my own kids. I promote them to go out, play some sport because I believe that is more healthier in the longer run. And that's important because I think what you have to do at this age as a child is enjoy, play, be free. Because for all the digital things, the whole life is there.
Ajay Concert is also a film novelist. What do you have to say about him?
Well, I think he's the sweetest person. You can just see his energy. He's a very gentle person, and you can see the passion. So wishing him all the best.
Thank you, Ayush.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
सर इधर यहाँ सर यहाँ पे देखो सर एक सोलो सर इधर इस साइड यहाँ
शान मुल्तानी जी बैठा है, हमारे यहाँ के विधानसभा के संगठक और नगर सेवक जिनको आप लोगों ने यहाँ से वर्षों से चुन के दिया है। ऐसे हमारे शैलेश फंटे जी बैठे हुए हैं, मेरे सहकारी हमारे यहाँ पर सतीश परब जी बैठे हुए हैं। ये सारे के लोग यहाँ पे जो बैठे हुए हैं, ये सारे के सारे लोग भले ही किसी पार्टी या किसी भी चीज से ताल्लुक रखते हो, लेकिन मैं एक बात जानता हूँ कि हम सब एक थे, एक है और एक रहेंगे। हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम महाराष्ट्र के हैं और हम मुंबई के हैं। धन्यवाद आपका, फिर से एक बार शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय महाराष्ट्र।
हमारे बीच महक मोहसिन हैदर जी है, मेरे
So beautiful, so beautiful. Ma'am, can you just come a little forward? We have our cameras here. Firstly, welcome to you, a small token of appreciation from CWC.
I would request the award function to please continue so that we complete with these programs.
I think lucky are those who are getting awards from Meenakshi Shishar.
Presenta Divination in recognition for 25 years of the commitment, dedication of our educational institution.
Welcome to you.
Steadfast commitment to the institution. Congratulations, Geeta ma'am. We proudly present this appreciation award to Mr. Ashish Abhyankar in recognition for 25 years of service, dedication and valuable contribution to the institution. Mr. Ashish Abhyankar. Ashish sir. Next, this award recognizes Mr. Mahesh Bhujbal, a distinguished milestone of 25 years marked by loyalty, dedication, and service to the institution.
We have the next winner. The next winner on stage. Alright, can we move forward?
Next institution.
Mahesh Bhujbal.
Congratulations, sir. This institution proudly felicitates Mr. Sharif Mohammad Babu in recognition for 25 years of continuous dedication, loyalty, and services to the institution.
Over to
सर आपके फैंस बहुत हैं प्रशांत सर, आपके फैंस की कमी नहीं है यहाँ पर. Well, ma'am, now that we are done with the prize distribution, the rewards and the awards, people are very happy who have got awards from you. मतलब आज ये सुनहरे अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा, मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री जी ने हमें award दिया है. But tell me, how was it? There's so many fans here. People still know you, the beauty, the grace that you are always with. I mean, is there any message for the kids here? The students are so excited to actually meet you. Thank you.
CWC स्कूल और ये अन्य इतने सारे जो कॉलेजेस एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, श्री अजय कौल जी और CWC के विशाल संसार के इतने सारे सदस्य, आप सबको मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री का नमस्कार. मैं क्या कहूँ, मैं एजुकेशन के बारे में मैं ज़रा अपनी एक प्राइवेट बात बता दूँ, चलेगा? जब मैं फिल्मों में थी 80s और 90s के दौर में, तो स्कूल के बाद मैं अपनी बड़ाई नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट द वन एंड ओनली एक्ट्रेस इन इंडिया, मे बी इन बॉलीवुड, जिन्होंने फिल्मों के साथ बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स दोनों की डिग्री की. सो एजुकेशन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. और आज जितने भी लोगों को रिकग्नाइज किया, ऑफ थी. हाँ, सबके सामने परफॉर्म करना, डांस करना, वो तो मेरा सेकंड नेचर था. और शायद इसीलिए मैं डांस के क्षेत्र में आई और उसके बाद फिल्मों में. शादी के बाद 30 साल मैं अमेरिका में रही और अभी मैं फिर से लौटी हूँ उतने लंबे अरसे के बाद, फिर से एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा बनने के लिए. तो आप लोग बहुत जल्द मुझे फिर से पर्दे पर देखेंगे, उसका इंतज़ार